right, took a little break. It's been about 2 hours and the fan dried up as you can see, it dried up the primer really good. It dried up the plaster that was underneath that was a little damp. It dried that up too. Now we're going to use this, we're going to do some plastering. This here's a fast set 20. It means it dries in about 20 minutes. Not true. It actually takes a good solid couple hours to dry solidly. Why they call it 20 minutes? You could work with it for 20 minutes and after that it's got to set. It's got to set hard so that you could either give it another coat of plaster or paint. The reason you see me with these safety glasses is because when we mix this material in this pan, which is it's called a taper's pan. Sometimes you use the hawk and trowel, which plasters use, but I use this because it's just easier to do your mixing in. All right, and this is the way it basically goes. We're gonna pour some water onto the pan, like so, a little bit at a time. Don't get too crazy, don't make a whole bunch because then it dries up on you too fast. We're gonna work on these holes right here along the faucets. This is the worst of the damage in this tub right here. So got some water in the pan. We're gonna pour some of this plaster right into the pan here. Now the trick to this is that water is put on first. That way when you pour your plaster inside here, it's a lot easier to mix. And you're gonna use your, get some knives here. These are different size tapey knives. Got an 8-inch, a 6-inch, and a small one. Small, like 1-inch knife, so I can get in here nice and easy. And also, a trick to the trade is these small little knives make the mixing a lot easier than using one of these big knives here. It just makes it easier. It doesn't. The reason the safety glass, sometimes you're mixing like this, and some of these drops fall, go into your face, and if it gets in your eye, it's gonna burn your eye pretty good. Not fun. And you got a little more water. Get it to the right consistency. See how I'm mixing this right here? You get to the right consistency, so we mix. See, and actually that was a little too much water that I put on there, so I'll just add a little more of this powdered plaster, just like so. Take your time. I'm working out of a bucket with some water inside there. I just keep my knives in there. It just makes it easier. Whatever I need is right there, right along inside the tub. Mixing it like so. So you can see it's like becoming a paste, a nice thick paste.